Ladies and gentlemen, to announce the laureate in the category Biotechnology, please welcome Professor Liam Smith, Prix Galien UK Committee Member.
Thank you all, and good evening. So it's great to be doing this. I'm a clinician, a clinical epidemiologist, a clinical researcher, and I spend my time trying to figure out what causes disease and then what we need to do about it. And in the middle, I rely on this whole industry to deliver products and technologies that we can use based on the knowledge we generate of what causes disease and what to do about it. And I'm well aware that that creation of new products that really impact on health, it must take, it does take years and years and years. I've no idea how anyone has the patience, to be honest. I don't think I could do it. You hear of 10-year development cycles, and I kind of think, I was thinking more kind of a few months. But so it's amazing to see the range of technologies we saw. And I'm delighted to say that we're now going to see the nominees for the Best Biotechnology Product Company.
In the category of Best Biotechnology Product, the candidates are Alnylam Pharmaceuticals for Onpattro, GW Pharmaceuticals, now part of Jazz Pharmaceuticals, for Epidiolex, Heron Therapeutics for Zinrelef, Moderna for Spikevax, Novartis Gene Therapies for Zolgensma, Orchard Therapeutics for Livmeldy, UCB for Bimzelx,
I'm pleased to say that there are 2 awards in this category, and Rosie's going to come up soon and award the second one, which is more around the orphan products. I have to confess that I was on the judging panel, so I know what's in the envelope, but you don't. That's the important thing. So, here we go.
No.
So the first winner of the 2022 Prix Galien UK is Moderna for Spikevax.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the ambassador of Moderna tonight.
So it's at this point that I wish I'd actually read the speech that someone had prepared for me, and then I would actually be ready. But thank you very much for this award. Thank you to the Prix Galien. Thank you for the judges. I have the honor of accepting this award on behalf of several thousand Moderna colleagues that over the last 10 years have been investigating the science of messenger RNA, and really the COVID-19 vaccine, Spikevax, that we brought to the UK about 18 months ago is the culmination of a lot of work from a lot of scientists who have really investigated this amazing new technology across many years. So it's an incredible honor to be here and to accept this award on their behalf. I'd like to thank the team, the Moderna team that we are just building here in the UK, who are going to go on to do many great things with this messenger RNA platform. And most of all, I'd also like to thank yourselves, and the NHS. The NHS for actually delivering an absolutely fantastic vaccination program across the whole of the UK over the last 18 months, and yourselves for turning up and being vaccinated, because I'm sure amongst the audience we have some Moderna vaccine people. So thank you very much indeed. So thank you for the award. Thank you for the Prix Galien. This is just the beginning of the messenger RNA technology, and we'll be back with many, many more. Thank you.
They're yours.
I just left that there. You know,
Yeah, wow. Thank you, indeed. And I mean, I think it's a little sort of a cliche to think of good things that have come out of the COVID pandemic, but I think the acceleration of messenger RNA technology and the possibilities this really will be a platform for future rapid vaccine development across a range of diseases really is something else. And no pressure, but do get on with it. Right, I'm going to hand over to the second Biotechnology Prize, and I believe Ros is coming to the stage. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Rosalind Smith, and it's a huge pleasure for me to be able to present an award which celebrates innovations in the orphan category of biotechnology. Working at Great Ormond Street Hospital, as I do, I am aware daily of the transformative benefit of novel therapies, often using very innovative technologies for children with rare, complex and life-limiting conditions. And so this particular award is something that I think is extremely important and celebrates investment of companies in these conditions. So the winner of the biotechnology orphan category is Alnium Pharmaceuticals for Onprato.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the ambassador of Alnium Pharmaceuticals tonight.
So, dear members of the jury, ladies and gentlemen, dear colleagues, I'm very proud to accept this prestigious award on behalf of Alnilam, particularly among a field of such groundbreaking technologies and medicines that we as an industry continue to bring to market. Galenius, the great Roman physician of which this prize is named, made the great new medical discoveries and challenges through existing ideas. This requires a lot of courage and persistence in the face of failure. Alnilam has shown similar qualities during their 20 years. Founded in 2002 with the bold ambition to translate RNA interference, or gene silencing, into a new class of medicines, the journey from possibility to patients with peaks and troughs has been something we've really lived. The approval of Onpattro in 2018 for the treatment of patients with hereditary TTR amyloidosis signaled the end of that opening chapter for us as a company. And we continue to believe that our science is changing the way that these patients are going to be treated and going to be treated in the future. When I look at the room, I see all kinds of colleagues who work with other great innovations. We live a unique moment in history of medical innovation, built by all the people in this space, in this room and beyond. A lot of great things really await all of us in the future, and that makes me exceptionally grateful to receive this prize on behalf of so many colleagues today. Thank you very much.